Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to choose between QuickBooks Online and Desktop. Are you struggling between the choice of QuickBooks Online or Desktop, looking for which one is the right one for you? Well, let's break it down simply so that you don't waste time or money on the wrong version. First step is to understand the core differences. QuickBooks Online is cloud-based. That means that you can access it anywhere, anytime on your device with internet. For QuickBooks Desktop, it's locally installed on your computer. It's more powerful in some areas, but of course it's less flexible. Next, we're going to consider accessibility needs. If you need to log in from multiple devices or collaborate with others remotely, online is your best bet. But if you work from one computer and want faster processing power, the desktop might suit you better. Step 3 is to look at features by business types. Now, QuickBooks Online, this is better for service-based businesses, freelancers, and of course those needing mobility. For QuickBooks Desktop, Pro, Premier, or Enterprise, this is ideal for product-based businesses that needing advanced inventory, job costing, or industry-specific tools. Step 4 is the pricing structure. Now, the online has a monthly subscription which starts around $30 a month and scales with features. For the desktop, this has annual license or one-time payments, of course, depending on the version. It's more cost-effective for long-term or single users. Step 5, integration and automations. The online integrates better with modern apps, for instance, PayPal, Shopify, Square, etc. It also has automations like bank feeds, invoice reminders, and cloud backups. The desktop is more manual but has deeper reporting tools in some versions. And here's the bottom line. Choose QuickBooks Online if you want mobility, simplicity, and easy collaborations. Choose Desktop if you want power, customizations, and don't need to work remotely. If you're still unsure, try QuickBooks Online's 30-day free trial to test the waters. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.